Making $4 million dropshipping over the last couple years really wasn't that hard. Here are the exact 10 steps I would take to start today. 1, you need to find an evergreen product that will sell for $40 and it solves a problem. 2, you need to connect with a 3PL team and source the product for a fair cost of around $10 to $12 because you need a 70% margin at least. 3, you need to find this product on Amazon, ship it to your house, and make cool TikTok videos with it. 4, you need to create a Shopify store using the Debutify theme, make it simple, trustworthy, and make it easy for someone to purchase your product. Number 5, you need to post 3 to 4 TikTok videos each day showcasing this product in a good light, utilizing TikTok trends and all that stuff. Number 6, any of your videos that are doing well, you need to turn into a sparked ad through TikTok's advertising platform, and you need to start scaling up those ads. Number 7, you need to hire an email and SMS marketing team to help you create a solid backend and retarget people that didn't purchase. Number 8, you need to source another product that's going to match with your current product and sell it as an upsell. So now when someone purchases on your site, they're not spending $40, they're hopefully spending $60 or $70. Number 9, you need to hire a full-blown marketing team to help you scale out and utilize other advertising platforms like YouTube, Google, Facebook, Instagram. And lastly, number 10, you need to start ordering inventory of your product in bulk and putting your brand name on it. And if you did all those steps correctly, you could easily be owning $1 million brand just like that.